Hi, Jason here, and I just want to give you a quick tip of something that we do to save money on our projects. Just a quick tip on the type of window that this is. As you can see here, this window goes basically on the inside from floor to ceiling. And here in Florida, the code says that if the window is within 18 inches of the foundation, then the bottom half of the window has to be tempered glass. And if you buy a window with tempered glass, it's going to cost you twice as much as a regular window, around $200. But what we're going to do is we are going to actually shorten up the window and make sure it's 18 inches off the foundation, actually probably more like 20 inches to make sure it's got plenty of clearance. Put a decorative piece underneath and put a shorter window, which means we don't have to have the tempered glass. And instead of paying $200 to replace this window, we can pay $110 for the window itself. Now actually there's labor on top of that, and there'll be a little charge for doing a decoration piece on the bottom. But what it does is save us half on the actual cost of the window. And we like to provide a quality product, but we also like to do everything we can to stay within our budget and still provide something that's a great quality product for the end user. So we're going to put the shorter window, put the decorative piece on the bottom, save us half price on the window. And actually it's a more modern style anyway. There aren't many houses here in Florida that have the windows that are that far. So it's actually a more modern style to have a shorter window. Just a quick tip on how to save some money on your rehabs.